Hi Ara, I'm happy that you're going to get married soon. We're praying for that, for your big day. And we're so happy your household na matagal mo na rin tong hinihintay. And at last, the long wait is over. I know that you and Hill are much made in heaven. And we're so happy and proud na na-overcome yung lahat ng mga trials. Kahit magkalayo kayong dalawa, yun lang, best wishes and congratulations. Kahit wala kami sa special day mo, we're here praying for you guys. We love you, Mama.
Hi, Ara! Congratulations! I wish you the best of everything. Sobrang happy ako dahil finally you'll be walking down the aisle and yun naman talaga yung every girl's dream. So I just really continue to pray for a very smooth wedding for you and your husband-to-be. And I'll be praying for the life after kasi yun naman talaga yung mahalaga. And I know that you both have truly passed the test of time. Napakahirap ng long distance relationship and I honor the both of you for standing through each other through thick and thin. And you've been an inspiration kasi yun nga, napakahirap ng long distance and you have it stand the distance and the best of times in your relationship. So, once again, Ara, congratulations. I wish you the best of everything and yun nga, hindi kami makakauwi. So, tingnan na lang natin ang inyong mga videos and pictures sa Facebook. I love you!
Congratulations and best wishes to you and him. I'm so happy for you and finally, your prayers and dreams are coming true. As you face the new chapter in your life, wish you what every woman wishes in your married life. Continue to be prayerful and strong woman. And may God be the center of your relationship. God bless you.
Hi, Airport Court. Advance congratulations and best wishes. So happy for you. Sayang ito yung makakaalis sa wedding na pero we know naman na our prayers and our hearts are with you. Wishing you a happy married life full of surprises, love, blessings, excitement, and passion. Good luck na lang kay Neil, Joe. Ayun, love you very much and hoping to see you soon.
Hi, Yara! Wow, your big day is finally here. Alam mo ba, sobrang happy kami when we heard the good news that you and Hill are finally going to tie the knot. I know that this is something you have been waiting for, you have been praying for. We've been praying for it too. Please extend our congratulations kay Hill and we'd like to wish you best wishes sa inyong dalawa. We will be praying for you on your big day and we're excited to see you when you get back para marinig namin yung mga kwento niyong dalawa. And for the future, we'll always be your prayer partners. We wish you a happy family life na finally you can start a family of your own. This is something that you really deserve and we are very, very happy for you. We love you and have a great wedding day. God bless!
Hello po, greetings from Abu Dhabi. Congratulations po and best wishes sa inyong dalawa, Nay Ara at saka kay Hill. Sobrang masaya po kami sa araw na to at natupad na din yung pinapangarap nyo. Sobrang daming blessings nyo, sunod-sunod na to. Sobrang masaya lang talaga kami para sa inyo. Ang wish ko lang para sa inyo ay naway magsama kayong maayos at masaya and with the help of our Lord, naway lagi niya kayong patnubayan sa araw-araw and basta lagi lang nyong isasama sa inyong pamumuhay ang mga pangaral ng ating Panginoon, naway laging siya ang gawin yung center ng inyong buhay bilang mag-asawa. Basta I know na masaya kayo sa araw na to and naway hanggang sa buong pagsasama nyo ay maging masaya ang bawat isa sa inyo. Congratulations ulit and best Congratulations, Mother Ara and Hill. Finally, yung pinaka-dream nyo is ito na. Is yung big day nyo, your wedding. Sana may you put God in the center of your marriage and looking forward for little Ara and little Hill soon. God bless always and congratulations!
Hill, congratulations! Todo na talaga to at kakasal na talaga kayo. Ay, tapos na pala ang kasal. Nasa reception na pala kayo. Congratulations! Thank you, bye-bye. Talaga na thank you pa daw ako, no? Bye! Okay na yun.
Hello, Ara and Hill. Congrats sa inyo.
Good luck and more blessings for a happy married life.
We're happy for you. Ingat kayo lagi.
Bye! See ya!
Hello, Ara and Hill. Congrats sa wedding nyo. We're so happy for you, finally. Best wishes sa inyong dalawa.
Yeah, congrats. Ito na yung pinakahihintay nyo. And natuloy na din. Basta, parating nyo ng alaga ng isa't isa. At nandito na kami para sa inyo.
From Lulu Center Building family,
Best wishes!
Binabati ko po mga taga-Durotan.
Inuman na!
balik ka na dito, Hill!
See you!
See you! Bye-bye!
How are you? Best wishes nga. Sa malapit na iganapang inyong kasal. Sa 10, ano yan? 10 ng aming kaibigan. 10 ng aming kaibigan at ng mga Dota Boys ay binabati ka ng best wishes. Congratulations! Best wishes! Best wishes! Pagpasensya nyo na kami dito at kami napantulog. Ngayon kami kumatulog dito. Si Batman! Parang Gil! Batman! Huwag kakalas hanggat may bigas. May kasabihan nga tayo. Ay, may kasabihan nga matatanda. Pagpapakasal, hindi parang kanin na isusubo mo. Kapag mainit ay iluluwa mo.
Hi Ate Ara and Kuya Hill. Best wishes sa asal nyo. Sana lalo pa tumagal ang relationship nyo. At more stronger. Sa dami ni Micah, nagmamahalan. Feel that to us part. Diba?
Congrats and best wishes. We love you. Mwah, mwah, mwah.